Hello beauties! So as you see, I have a hair cap on, but I will take it off to show you what's going on. And as you can tell from today's title, we are doing a wig unboxing. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting for both of us because I have never used a lace front wig. I normally use human hair wigs, which surprisingly aren't lace front, and synthetic wigs that have not been lace front. So I am super excited to show you guys what I got. First off, it is from a company called EvaHair, and this was the box it came in. The box got a little beaten up, but it also came with 2 stocking caps. And the hair in this package is actually like amazing. It's really affordable. There'll be a coupon code, look in the description. But I'm gonna show you guys today how I'm applying this. Now, this is both exciting and nervous. I've never done this before, so I'm like a bit excited and nervous to try this out. The first thing that I did, it's not really that exciting, but my hair is really, really thick. So all I did was I combed it like going down, and I combed it like pretty tight against my scalp. What is in my hair? Oh, a bobby pin. Oh my god, that scared me so bad for a second. And then all I did was did like a simple braid on the bottom. One of them's probably coming out. Yeah, this one's coming out because that was what the bobby pin was tied to. Oh well. So basically after that, I just kind of crisscrossed it like this. And then let me try to get my bobby pin out of here. Alright, that bobby pin might be lost to time. Oh, I found it. So I'm putting this braid like this, and then bobby pinning it to my hair, and then I am crisscrossing, and I'm actually going under that braid and putting this braid on top like this. So from the back, this is what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to do, super simple, is grab the first stocking cap and just put it on. Now my braids move around quite a bit when I do this, so I basically just, with my hands, kind of shift them back to where I want them to be. And then I always have hair sticking out on the sides. So I push that up and in, make sure I get the hair in the back, my pesky sideburns. Next I'm going to push this wig cap back to right where I start to see my hair in the front. Yeah, so you can see there's a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of my hair in the front. It's really like not a lot. But I have a lot of hair, and this kind of lets my hair shift around still, so I'm gonna get a second one, and I'm gonna go from the back this time instead of the front, and I'm gonna kind of like pull that forward just to kind of really secure my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna say right about here, it's covering my hair well enough. Now it's time to look at the wig, and I'm gonna show it off to you why I look like this. All right, so this is the beautiful, beautiful wig. It is really, really long and dense. So I'll have this of course linked below, but this wig is called the reddish brown synthetic lace front wig with popular wavy style. So yeah, the hair is like wavy. I see like very, very few curls towards the bottom, which is kind of nice, like they're tighter curls. And it says that it's 26 inches long and 150% density. I'm looking at the picture of it. The only real difference in the picture is that in their main picture it looks more orange, but I'm really happy it's actually more red. Now if we look at the inside of this, the lace goes to about right here, so behind your ear, and it's a pretty thick piece of lace. Like the lace goes all the way here, so it goes about here. So you can do whatever type of hairline you want to do with this. And then it has these tightening adjustable straps on the inside, as well as 3 combs on the inside. So it's a really nice quality wig. The lace front's nice. Let's put this bad baby on. It's getting stuck in my eyelashes. Okay, at this point it is covering my wig cap. I think if I was gonna wear it out, I would probably have to secure my wig cap, like glue it to my head, and then go from there. Now I'm trying to see how much of these sides it covers. It covers a lot of it. I'm just having a slight problem right now because my head is so big with all my hair under here that it's making it not fit exactly right. I might have to try a different method of hiding my hair under here, only because it's just not sitting completely flat. Like, you probably can't tell, but it's just not sitting completely flat. Now, if you look at the hairline, it is very, very, very circular. So if you want to make this look more natural, I would suggest plucking it. So we are going to cut this, and I'm very, very nervous because it is my first time ever cutting a lace front. And I've watched a million tutorials, and basically what they said is just cut it like close to your hairline. So I'm very scared. I'm actually going to take off this wig to do it because I am terrified of doing it on myself and messing up. So let's take this guy off for a second. Okay, so I've got little baby scissors. I'm going to very, 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 very lightly and slowly cut this lace. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig on after I cut the lace front. These are the pieces of lace that I cut off of it. Obviously, I have to still comb through and style this hair, but I just want to show you guys like what it looks like. This is all of the hair, so it's a lot of hair. It's very long. It goes all the way here, so down to my hip. It's honestly not that shiny, and because it's not that shiny, it looks like real hair. It doesn't look like fake plasticky hair, and it doesn't feel plasticky at all either, which is like surprising because it is synthetic. But if you look, it's not really, it's actually like not shiny at all. It feels super, super soft to the touch. Like, it feels like my real hair. This is the same texture my hair is. So something I noticed though about the part is I'm sure you can part it wherever. Yeah, you can definitely part it like if you want to do a side part, middle part. This is the natural part that's in it. But the one thing I noticed is you have to stop the part here because you can see the track lines of where it is sewn in. So I would just say stop here. It's not a big deal, but just do that so you don't have any issues. Now, obviously, I don't have this glued down. If I did have it glued down, like I had my sideburns, you see, aren't glued at all, and then my hair's peeking through because the wig cap is kind of loose. If I did have this glued down, I would think that this would look super natural, but super natural. I think in the future I might actually just pluck this hairline a little bit to create just a couple of baby hairs, and also just to like kind of mess up the hairline so it looks more natural. For right now though, I'm just going to grab a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of concealer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on the root line so it looks a little bit more natural. So yeah, now I have like a little bit of a root line, and I just think it looks a little bit more like actual hair. Even just that little change really just kind of makes it look like, oh, okay, that's not a wig. So yeah, there's my little tiny part. I'm probably gonna clean that up later. It's not the best part in the world, but it is a little bit better. But yeah, I really love how this hair looks. I think it looks gorgeous. It feels gorgeous. My only thing with it is that I have too much hair for this wig, so I'm gonna need to find a better way to braid my hair down and pin it so that it looks more natural, because like it's a little bit, like if I have my hair tied tight, there's like some little funny bumps, and that's just because my hair under it is so big. But I think this looks gorgeous actually tied back. There's like, I bet you could do like a lot of really cute styles with it. Like, I would totally just braid this part and this part. I think that makes it look so cute. It's really, really just a beautiful wig. I'm excited to see all the possibilities I have with it. I'm definitely gonna probably curl it. I don't think I'm gonna like this wig super straight because I like the body it has, but I'd like to just get it a little bit more big and curly. So yeah, I really love this wig. I think that EvaHair did like an amazing job. This wig is super beautiful. It looks really natural. The lace was like amazing. I love that it goes to like right here with the lace, so you can kind of just customize the hairline however you want. And with this hair, you can use low heat to style it, so that's really nice too. If you guys like this video or you want to see more with this wig, let me know, because when I pluck it and make the hairline just a little bit more jagged and create some baby hairs, I want to see if you guys want to maybe see that process. And then also like when I style it, I want to see if you guys want to see that process. Also, if you guys want me to do where I like glue it down so it looks way more natural, lasts longer, let me know, because I would totally love to do that as well. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and comment if there's something else that you would like to see. Until next time, love you beauties, goodbye.